Jalea Stewart. Big Jalea celebrating her second birthday in Lawton. Now that birthday was yesterday. We wanted to make sure we got the smiling kiddo on air. And this comes from Mom, Dad, Grandma, Tavion, Uncle Randall, and of course, don't forget Johnny.
All right, we head up to Iowa to help celebrate birthday number 11 with Tanner Stitt. Hope it's a great one, Tanner.
Jacob Morrison celebrating his 17th birthday. Jacob, I want you to have a marvelous day. He's in Lamar.
Jediah Woods celebrating birthday number, or maybe it's Jada Woods. That's a pretty spelling, interesting spelling. 18 years old in Joplin, turned 18 yesterday actually. Happy birthday, Jada.
Alexis Edwards, this birthday wish coming from With Love from Mom. She turns 24 in Pittsburgh.
Erica Omi celebrated birthday number 33 yesterday. Hope it was wonderful for you.
We've got a 40 on the board for Valerie Snodgrass. Nice catch, Valerie. Nice catch. Love it. A happy birthday in Carthage.
All right. And we're celebrating birthday number 42 with Lisa Chaplin in Fort Scott. Love from the family.
In Erie, a happy 72nd birthday. Miss Donna McCoy, surrounded by family and friends right there.
All right, Mary Jane Gouvion is turning 78 years old this year. Happy birthday, Mary Jane.
And in Chetopa, Joyce Stapleton. Joyce, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, we'll stay in Chetopa and celebrate some birthday wishes with Brenda Reed. Linda Dole celebrating another year wiser in Arma, and Susan McCoy in Miami, Oklahoma.
Pat and Susan Ellis, congratulations on 30 years of marriage. Pat and Susan celebrating their anniversary in Humboldt. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Just go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
All right, hang on. Becky Bingarelli got me. Becky, I'll get right back to you.